Istka, thank you very much. I'm not sure, I didn't check that closely, but I don't really think so. I did check last night, I didn't notice anything special for today. This is not the phone, this is the camera. No, it's not raining, it's quite beautiful weather today. Absolutely fantastic. I said this is the camera.